The Pharmbiotrac Business Incubation Center was established in May 2019 at Mbarara University of Science and Technology after winning a seed grant of $250,000 from the World Bank. The Incubation Center is an offshoot of the African Center of Excellence in Pharm-biotechnology and Traditional Medicine, Pharmbiotrac. The aim of the Incubation Center is to support entrepreneurs, researchers, students, and innovators to start businesses, develop, register, and commercialize trademarks, copyrights, and patents, and transform universities into entrepreneurial spaces and major drivers of the economy. Specifically, Pharmbiotrac wanted to develop prototypes from research and translate them into tangible products, champion research and development to support the local industry, and build startup businesses and networks for commercialization of traditional medicine and pharm-biotechnology products in the region. The Incubation Center's main focus is traditional and natural medicine, natural cosmetics, beverages, agriculture, biotechnology, and aquaculture. Over the last 3 years, the incubation has developed prototypes of natural products through research.
We have a Pharmbiotrac Incubation Center that incubates products from different areas, from natural medicines, natural cosmetics, and also cosmeceuticals, nutraceuticals that are being incubated by Pharmbiotrac. So here we also help these innovators to be able to improve on their prototypes, to be able to use this facility actually to notify their products with NDA, and to be able to produce their products from here. So we have a number of other products that I may not be able to exhaust. Like I said, over 30 innovations that are incubated at Pharmbiotrac here.
The innovations are developed by staff and students, while other innovations are by external incubatees who apply to join the incubation program. Pharmbiotrac supports innovators with ideas to conceptualize, develop, and test their products for commercialization.
I studied Bachelor's of Science in Pharmaceutical Sciences from Mbarara University of Science and Technology. So after my internship, that was after my second year, I got skills to make cosmetics. Now the incubation program formed when I had just started. Actually, I was in my very first stages, still compounding from hostel. From my room, one of my lecturers sent a link in group, and I think people that were interested applied. So I was among those people. I applied, they called us for some training on proposal development, which has really helped me in the journey for entrepreneurship. So after this training, we pitched our ideas. Then they visited us for due diligence. By that time, I didn't have a place. So they had to visit me in the university laboratory. But now, with the help of the incubation program, I got a boost from the MAST innovation programs. So when they boosted me, they gave me a reason to go on with the idea.
Reasons why we won, the skills we got from MAST, from the incubation program. One, we are taught how to write a proposal. Second, the pitching. They taught us how to pitch, because the investor needs to hear how you make money. We got some funding. Personally here, I got $2,400 that helped us to buy some dehydrator here, in the electronic balance. We have a pressing machine, because most of the time we could use the hands to press, but now we are using the machine. So it helped us.
And this tremendously changed our processes here at Kazire Health Products as an industry, because we improved our extraction methods. We can now measure how much we are extracting. We can now even measure what our farmer is delivering, looking at various standards which were taught to us. One of the professors, Associate Professor Abdalmin, this guy was great, was marvelous. He could teach you from the practices from how do you grow a medicinal plant up to how do you harvest it, how do you process it along the way, how do you process it in the plant, how do you finally compound it.
The incubation program equips startup owners with knowledge in filing for intellectual property, company incorporation, National Drug Authority regulations, and Bureau of Standards requirements. Incubatees also have access to the university's facilities, including laboratories and the Pharmbiotrac production lab, business clinics, and a wide range of peer-to-peer engagement opportunities.
Here we see in-house incubation. FarmSun is the brand from Pharmbiotrac. We have two products. We have gel and liquid. Up here is the collection of COVID-related medicine in Uganda, collected for display. From nitrochemotherapeutics, this is a package for patients given with different herbal products. This is a product under research on Buchitema University, Kulu University, and community members in Kulu, and again Covitex because it's part of the Ugandan collection.
Herbs Organic Limited adds value to mango seeds by processing them into mango seed butter. Now this butter is an affordable alternative to shea butter and cocoa butter. So we use this butter, we sell it as a raw material to cosmetic industries. At the same time, we use it to make purely organic cosmetic products. Currently, we have lip balm and lip gloss.
Million Stars Health Products Company Limited, we specialize in research for herbal medicines. We also do manufacturing and also go on and do business where we meet patients, prescribe herbal medicine, and also sell to other shops around, even in the country.
As a result of my training and studies at Mbarara University of Science and Technology, we have been able now to register 3 drugs. One is Alsaton, a natural treatment, a herbal remedy for peptic ulcers. It's already notified by National Drug Authority. But I could not attain this if I had not gone back to the university. But anyway, not any university, by the way, to a university that really had a lot of staffs who were already in practice and standardization of natural medicine.
We see an incubee also from South Sudan. She's associate professor of University of Wau now, and she's our former PhD student and innovator. Up here, we have 2 main interesting parts. One is pharma-grade starch, again from Jimmy Ankubala's team. Starch for tablet and capsules making for the pharmaceutical industry, made in Uganda, made here.
I'm now working with other academicians in the university to do clinical trials because you cannot do everything by yourself. So now what I do, like now I have a team here that we have built, the clinical trials that just completed one for diabetic medicine, and they found very interesting results. So all these medicines now are registered by NDA. All the complex was a problem because we were rushing. COVID was a problem because if we were rushing, COVID was here, really I couldn't just sit for dying.